Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wrestled with comparing text in Power BI, maybe you're validating user inputs, matching product names, or just double-checking data quality, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to compare text values in Power BI, using measures, calculated columns, and the right DAX formulas, so by the end you'll know which approach fits your needs and how to set it up step by step. Let's dive straight in. So imagine you have a simple table called product data with columns like product name and entered name. Maybe these represent your official products and what a customer or colleague typed in. Sometimes those entries match perfectly, sometimes they differ by case or a typo, and sometimes someone enters a whole different but related name. Sound familiar? Let's see how we can analyze those variations. Start off by loading your data into Power BI. Once your product data table is ready, just click that Load button to bring it in. Let's shift gears to add some calculated columns for different types of text comparison. Calculated columns are great because they attach results directly to each row, helping you understand exactly what's happening with every data point. First off, let's check for a case-sensitive exact match using the DAX function called exact. Head over to Data View, that little table icon along the left, go up to the Modeling tab and choose New Column. Try this formula, equals exact product name, product data entered name. What this does is compare the two text values for each row, checking if they're identical, including the case. So laptop isn't the same as laptop. This might sound strict, but sometimes being exact is crucial. Think of unique codes or product IDs where one wrong letter could cause problems. But maybe you want to be a bit more forgiving because people don't always worry about capitalization. For that, let's make a case-insensitive comparison. Again, modeling right arrow, new column, this time use. Is match ignore case equals if lower product name equals lower product data entered name. Match, no match. What's happening here is we temporarily turn both values to lowercase before comparing, so laptop and laptop are treated as equals. This is super helpful with names, emails, or when your users enter data from all sorts of devices and keyboards. Now, what about those situations where someone types in something more descriptive, like smartphone instead of just phone? Here, where substring matching comes in, create another column. Contains check equals contain string product data entered name, product data product name. This checks if the official product name appears anywhere inside entered name. So even if the entry is smartphone and your product is phone, it'll detect that relationship. This is a lifesaver for fuzzy matching, misspellings, or when your data gets a bit messier. Alright, now that we have these comparisons, let's summarize them with a measure perfect for dashboards. Head to Modeling and select New Measure. Type this, total matches equals controls filter product data lower product data product name equals lower product data entered name. This measure counts how many rows are matching, regardless of case. Think of it like a quick scorecard. Out of all your data, how many entries pass the case-insensitive match check? Let's see all this in action visually. Jump into the report view, that's the chart icon. Drag in a table visual and add product name, entered name, is exact match, is match ignore case, and contains check. Now you'll see how each comparison responds to the different inputs, row by row. Notice how even small tweaks in how you match can reveal different insights into your data. And for an at-a-glance summary, add a card visual and drop your total matches measure onto it. Instantly, you'll see the count of matches, which is super useful for presenting or reporting out your findings. So just to recap, use exact for strict, case-sensitive matches, lower for forgiving, case-insensitive checks, and conditional for partial or substring matches. Card visuals are your go-to for a quick summary, while table visuals show you what's going on under the hood. Hopefully, that gives you a solid toolkit for comparing text in Power BI. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and drop any questions or ideas down in the comments. I always love seeing how you're using these techniques. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss another hands-on Power BI tip. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.